The Budget Department has refuted reports of 30 million people losing their PhilHealth coverage. A certain medical action group claimed in a post that DBM has reduced the number of indirect contributors to PhilHealth. In response, Budget Secretary Amina Pangandaman said no one will lose their PhilHealth coverage under the Universal Healthcare Act. The DBM also said it recommended the coverage of 21 million indirect contributors. Around 80 billion pesos out of 101 billion pesos budget will be allocated to the indirect contributors of PhilHealth. Yan, maraming kontrobersya din ang kinakaharap ang PhilHealth ngayon dahil nga doon sa mga yung ibang fund na chinanel nila, diba, sa finance report.
Tsaka madaming...
At sinasabi nga namang...
Oy, nawala ka. Ayan.
Go ahead.
No, nawala yung audio mo. Kaya ako binabanggit kanina. Pero go ahead lang. You were saying something. Go ahead.
Yun. Basta yung sinasabi, syempre, yung worry nga ng mga PhilHealth members ay kinukuha yung mga kanilang contributions. Pero sinabi naman ng finance, legal daw yung kanilang ginagawa at dahil daw savings naman o hindi mga nagastos ng PhilHealth yung kanilang kinukuha.
That's right.
When in fact, sinasabi of course sa mga health advocates at ibang mga miyembro din ng PhilHealth, bakit hindi nila lang taasan yung diba, yung share, diba, ng PhilHealth sa mga hospitalization ng miyembro at saka expand pa yung coverage ng PhilHealth.
And one of the issues of this Universal Healthcare Act and the issues also that the US faced is those who are paying the premium contributions end up getting a little less to cover those who are not really paying directly na premium contributions. Ang hinihingi kasi ng iba noon, sana pwede nyo i-prorate. Yung mga hindi nagbibigay ng ganong kataas, they get a certain level lang. At yung mga nagbibigay ng premium at nagbabayad talaga, bigyan sila ng more benefits. Kasi nagiging issue, pag universal healthcare, everyone in the country is covered regardless kung direct member ka or indirect. Basta Filipino citizen, taxpayer ka, and you are registered in any of the LGUs, you can avail of PhilHealth assistance. So yan ang mga agam-agam na mga actually naghihirap daw na mag-contribute day in and day out. Sabi nila may DSWD naman daw for other assistance needs. Bakit ganito? Pero we will see in the coming days kung ano yung magiging case packages pag linabas.
Di ba recently merong na ospital, 400 plus thousand yung kanyang bill. And then, itong na-hospital na to, yung hospitalized individual na to, was only, parang he only got 24,000 from PhilHealth.
24,000 out of 400, saan kukunin niya yung remainder na yan? Kawawa naman.